This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jerry MacArthur. Enjoy serene preserved views from this tastefully updated first floor Egret model. Recent improvements include impact-resistant windows and sliding glass doors. 2023, with custom privacy shades, and a new water heater, 2022. Bathrooms feature granite countertops, updated faucets, showerheads, and new toilets, 2022. Luxury vinyl plank flooring was added to the bedrooms, closets, and den, and the home was freshly painted in designer colors in 2022. The kitchen offers granite countertops, a glass tile backsplash, under cabinet lighting and outlets, and updated fixtures, along with a Bosch dishwasher and French door refrigerator, 2023. Additional updates include new lighting, ceiling fans, smoke detectors, and polished nickel hardware throughout. All new furniture in 2022. A sofa bed in the living room and a trundle bed in the den provide extra sleeping space for guests. Roof replaced in 2022. Experience the best of Florida living in a community that lets you enjoy golf on your terms, pay as you play, with no golf membership required. Stunning renovations are nearly complete at the community center, golf shop, cart area, and main pool, offering a fresh, resort-style feel. At CCC, you'll enjoy top-tier amenities including tennis, a modern fitness center, bocce ball, pickleball, and a beautifully appointed restaurant, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. From the back lanai, just walk out to community walking path or just sit on the lanai and enjoy a lovely evening breeze as the sun sets. Ideally located near the airport, restaurants, fun shopping, 2 spring training parks, and world-class beaches, this community puts everything you love within easy reach. With endless opportunities to meet new friends, soak up the sunshine, and embrace the true Florida lifestyle, this is a place where every day feels like vacation. For more information, review the details below.